Hi, it's the second video of Language Master. It's gonna be, or if you want to call me Jonathan Offer, you will learn how to type in Chinese. Here it goes. If you want to say ni hao, you write this, and you type like this. Then you click space if you want. What do you want? Or if you want to say, ooh, about Israel, and then I do type Liet. That means Israel. And then if you want to type you, which is me, that's that. If you want to type Hanguo, which means South Korea, type it like that. So, to type a sentence, you just like type whatever you want, like ni hao, ni hao.
Jonathan, can you please zoom in the screen for me?
Yeah.
Right there.
Pause for a second.
Okay, pause.
Okay.
Just touch this.
Touch that. Okay, look.
Hey guys, Classy Girl again. I'm going to show you the most humiliating thing that you can do in front of people. Sorry if you can't see, but I'm actually using this, which is weird. FYI, this is a 3-year-old's.
Anyway, let's get back to the typing. So, Chow Na Sen is Jonathan and is my name in Chinese. So if you want to type it, you type it like this.
Nice tunes. If you couldn't understand what FYI means, it means for your information. Sorry, kids, I'm watching this.
Chow Na Sen. Don't worry about this part. Erase that. Sorry. I just have to like I'm gonna write China, okay? Chong, Chongguo, Chongguo. Chongguo. Or if you want to ask a question, you could you just say no, where you get to. Yes, I know. Or if you want to answer, you write 我家在 Okay. Like, what you have to say wherever you live. Like, for example, I live in which is Huabokin, which means Hoboken. So, what you have to say Huabokin. So, if you want to, what country, are you from China? I mean, what country are you from? Or, if you want to type, let's see, I'll type Chinese in Chinese. How do you? If you want to count, it's E R San Si U Yo.
Hope you enjoy my little sentence.
Ba Jiu Shi, which is 1 through 10. And like you can just like type like if you want like to say big brother, which is Gugu. Or if you want to say big sister is Jie. Okay? And then if you want to do Waipo slash Waipong.
I think you should stop the game.
No, I should just start. Like, I'm just gonna do. I'll show you what I mean. Like, I'll tell you what it means all after. So if I'm gonna type like a sentence, which is you just ignore like a question, or if you want to say my Chinese teacher's name is Lyu Lao Shi, which is Lyu Lao Shi. And then like China, if you want, not China, like the USA is 美国. And if you want India, if you're from India, you're gonna like this. Indo. And Russia, last but not least, Russia is and I'm just gonna tell you what everything means. Ni hao means hello, Israel means Israel, ni means you, hao means you. Means like you, and like Hangul means South Korea, ni hao.
Guys,
He
maybe got
hello, my name is Jonathan.
He's not so good at building with Legos though. Look at the sea. Look at the sea he made.
And then Jonathan means Jonathan. Zhongguo is China. Nijia Tainar is where you live. Wojiatsai, then whatever city you live in. And then Wojiachi Hoboken means I live in Hoboken. Yisha Nagwaran means what country are you from. Hanyu means Chinese. Irresense Wojiachi Wajiu means 1 to 10. Guga is big regular, Gigi is big sister. By Paul / Go is grandma / grandpa on the mother's side. Lyu Lao Shi is my Chinese teacher's name. Meigbo is the USA. Indu is India. USA is Russia. Hao means good, and like there's so many other countries that I don't know. So bye. Anyways, it's me, Jonathan. If you don't see me, this is me. And I'm in my house. So it's my piano right behind me, and I have flags. Like as you can see, I have South Korea in my hand, and walk, and back to there. So like, 再见. Bye. Then 再见.